In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ESP-DIST-001 error, Fortnite or Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing what you want to do to fix the error is you want to go to System Settings. And the System Settings, you want to scroll all the way down to System. And the System, you want to scroll down all the way down and you want to go to Formatting Options. You want to click on it and you want to click on Clear Cache. Then select the user and then just click on reset. Then we're going to click on OK, and what we're going to do is we're going to restart the Nintendo Switch. How do we do that? We do that by pressing 3 seconds the power button right here. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to click on power options and we're going to click on restart. And that's how you fix the ESP-DIST-001 error in Fortnite or in Nintendo Switch 2.